this is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing of another shoes. You can see I have Grimoldi, one brand, Italian Argentine brand here. So let's unpack this packet. So here we have something from brand Hush Puppy. Beautiful looking box, a lovely photo of a dog. So very cute. Take this off. You can see we have a sneaker from Hush Puppy. Look at this, guys, very detailed stitching. You see the holes here at the top. Here we go. The sole, very detailed stitching. Bottom, lovely sole. Big right and Hush Puppy. Here we go. More things about Hush Puppy. And inside branding Hush Puppy Zero Gravity is written. High quality, both of them together. The other one, you can take this off if you want. Put this on as well, as you like, guys. Beautiful branding. Price of this product $120, so you can pay $100 to $120 depend where you are. Price could be differ from place to place, continent to continent, but very good, lovely looking product, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.